Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into OpenAI brand new Sora 2 video engines, and trust me, this update is a big step forward. So Sora 2 take AI video generations into the whole new level. It's not just about making a realistic video anymore. So now you get the sharper visual, better physics movements, more controls, and even synchronized sounds that's matching the video. Okay, so check it out. And then let's start with the advantage of the Sora 2 AI video engines. Okay, so the key advantage of the latest model from OpenAI is that it understands the object better with the more accurate movements, and then also it's great with the voice and sound at matching the video. So let's watching one video from OpenAI to see what it's been. Okay, so yeah, let's see this one. And this one. Okay, so it's impressive, right? It's the 100% AI generated with a very short prompt, and then you can see that the object's movement is like accurate and it's very much better compared to what you have seen before, or like compared to any like AI generated video out there. And then you can see that the voice and the sound is matching perfectly with the image in the video, right? So you can see that's like when the man jumping into the swimming pool, so the sound is the matching exactly perfect. And then you can see like another advantage of the model is like it's making the realistic video and with different styles, like for example like movie, cartoon, or maybe creative look. Okay, and then it's follow your instruction better and give you more control for editing and continuing video. Okay, so after you generate a video, you can asking the AI model to update, and that you can have better control over that. Okay, so let's have a look at another video sample from OpenAI to see how they are doing with the different movie style, different video style. Okay, so yeah, let's look at this one. So this one, yeah, this one is like Japanese anime, right? And then there's another one, so you can see that the prompt is quite long, and then it can create it like cartoon 3D style, right? And yeah, so and then like this one, yeah, it's like Hollywood style in like 80 or 70. Awesome. So yeah, this is impressive, right? So let's continue. So key advantage of Sora 2 like is understand object better. It create a voice and sound that matching the video. It have more realistic video and like support different styles like movie, cartoons, creative look, and it follow your instruction better for more control and editing. Okay, and then it's like create and control, right? So with Sora 2, what you can do, right? You can create a video from text, right? Basically, you can write a prompt to make a short clip with the same character, lighting, and camera move. Okay, so for example, like you can see in the example page, like for every single clip, like for example, this short clip is created with just like a short prompt, right? Uh, and then like you can also upload the picture, and then like you can create a video or maybe create animations style of the subject, or maybe to continue scenes. Okay, and then you can also like it also come with the edit and remix tool that you can adjust and remix the video and the state control of the results. And then the last but not least, so it's audio aware, so it is making the speech and the sound that matching with what happened on the screen. Okay, awesome. So next, there's some when we are using the Sora tools, so there are some like safety and responsibility that's that we need to be aware, right? And then like OpenAI promise that it's built with the protections. So it's come with like rule and filter for the stop bad content. So that yeah, so basically you cannot using Sora 2 from OpenAI to build some like content that have like bad impact to the public, right? For example, maybe that you, and then like safety is also come with the safety tool for things like symbol width, limited message and time limits, and also like the system code, so the test limit, and check for be clear about the risk. Okay. And then like if you want to getting started with Sora 2 app, so like you need OpenAI account, and then like so like OpenAI publish an applications on iOS. Okay, so it's called Sora by OpenAI. This is a new video app by OpenAI, and like as the like seats are limited, right? So you need to wait for the invitations. But like what you can do right now, if you want to try the Sora 2 from OpenAI, that you can download the applications and then logging with your OpenAI account and waiting for the invitations run out from OpenAI. Okay, so thank you very much, and like again, yeah, let's finish the video with some cool like sample video from OpenAI. Thank you so much. I think it will be we have a very much like applications in the real world. For example, like SME or maybe the shop owner, the business owner can using this to create the marketing video, or maybe product uh, introduction video. So instead of working with agency and spend thousands of US dollar for the agency to making the short video, so you can basically using Sora to OpenAI for this. Yeah. Thank you so much, and have a very good day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI innovations and AI and automation workflow content for sure. Okay, thank you. Bye.